Hello, and welcome to Data Protection: The Butterfly Effect. Regardless of our best efforts, data seems to take on a life of its own these days. Before long, multiple copies of the same file are strewn across the enterprise. Worse yet, the size of those files is getting larger with each passing day. About the only thing that isn't growing these days is the actual size of the storage budget. All of this conspires to make data protection one of the most unappreciated and complex tasks in all of IT. Not only are backup windows getting smaller by the day, it's anybody's guess as to whether they might actually meet recovery time or recovery point objectives. To put those concerns to rest, we at IBM would like you to experience the butterfly effect. We've partnered with Butterfly Software to provide access to an analytics tool that allows storage administrators to actually visualize the size and complexity of their storage environment. You'll be able to analyze your exposure to risk by testing your recovery time and recovery point objectives, identify risk and performance indicators across your complete backup infrastructure, directly compare current and potential backup environments, and even alternative configurations. Best of all, this can all be done in a couple of days with no disruption to your production environment by leveraging the metadata from your current storage infrastructure. The Butterfly Analysis engine provides a unique library that contains effectiveness and efficiency statistics for a variety of storage, server, and infrastructure setups and configurations. It not only provides a complete view of your existing data and infrastructure using 4,000 raw data indicators, it presents those findings in a format that allows you to easily assess all the associated cost and risk implications. We're encouraging IT organizations to make use of this tool because we're confident that our Tivoli Storage Manager software can reduce the complexity of your data storage environment. A single server instance of IBM Tivoli Storage Manager software can manage up to thousands of clients in a way that is not only a whole lot less complex to manage, it's significantly faster. The Butterfly Analysis engine is not only designed to help you understand the complexity of your environment, it can be used to automate the entire migration to an IBM Tivoli Storage Manager environment. That's important because according to Gartner, by 2013, at least 20% of organizations will have changed the primary backup vendor due to frustration over cost, complexity, and/or capability, up from the typical single-digit percentage shifts today. However, Gartner also cautions that replacing a core piece of IT infrastructure, such as the backup system, is a large, complex, and risky proposition, causing many organizations to delay implementation of a new system indefinitely, which in the final analysis only serves to further compound the problem. It's our commitment to make that transition as smooth and painless as possible. In the final analysis, nobody knows more about protecting data than IBM. As a first step towards getting to know us better, we invite you to download a Migrate to IBM Tivoli Storage Manager software easily and confidently solutions brief that explains why you should be rethinking your data protection options. After all, the butterfly effect has taught us all how one small change can wind up making a huge difference. The hard part is figuring out where to apply that one small change so it can have the maximum effect possible. With a little help from IBM, you'll now be able to see just exactly where that is.